Hi everyone, so we are super excited to present 1, 2, 3, 4 interactive layouts that Priscilla has designed that we will be launching at NSD this Saturday at the Fairview Racecourse. Let me just get everything right side up. Okay, so first of all we have a fantastic one with the Penelope D range, the Sweet Summertime. Loads, ladies, I haven't even counted all the spots for photographs, but so many interactive places here for photos. So that's the first one, and then the second one, an amazing travel one. Priscilla really outdid herself. She's going to count how many photographs you can put onto these layouts. They will all come with sketches and with basic instructions digitally, so it's not going to be printed. You will receive it per WhatsApp. Then this one, I counted probably, I don't know, like 25 or 30 photographs you can add to this amazing interactive layout. I hope I can put it back together the way it was. So yeah, make sure, look at all of that. It just doesn't end. So if you are someone who loves to scrapbook layouts with lots of photos, please make sure that you visit us on Saturday at the National Scrapbook Day, Fairview Racecourse, or you can simply ask the prices for one of these kits, and if we have extras we will let you know. Alrighty.